A strong evidence can make or break your personal injury case. In this video, I will walk you through exactly what proof you need, how to collect it, and how to use it to maximize your compensation. Stick around to learn key strategies that can help you win your case. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. I am your host, and today we are diving into one of the most crucial part of any personal injury claim is gathering the right evidence. Whether it is a car accident, slip and fall, or workplace injury, a strong evidence is the key to proving liability and gathering the settlement you deserve. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what type of accident to collect, how to document injuries, and how to build a solid case against the at fault party. So, if you are ready, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Why is evidence important in a personal injury case? A personal injury case is only as strong as the evidence supporting it. Without solid proof, insurance company can deny or reduce your claim. A strong evidence help to prove who was at fault, so the severity of your injuries, justify medical expenses and lost wage, strengthen negotiation for a higher settlement. Let's go over the key types of evidence you need. Essential evidence to collect at the scene. First is photos and videos. Take clear photos of the accident scene, injuries, and property damage and any hazards. Record video to capture the full environment and any visible factor, weather, traffic, etc. Witness a statement. Get contact information from anyone who saw the accident. Ask them for a writing or recorded statement of what they saw. Police and accident report. If law enforcement was involved, request a copy of the police report. If an incident report was filed at a workplace or businesses, obtain a copy. Surveillance or dash cam footage. Check if nearby cameras, traffic camera, security camera, dash camera recorded the accident. Request footage as soon as possible. Many businesses delay it videos after a few days. Medical records and documentation. First is medical reports and bill. Keep detailed records of hospital visit, diagnosis, treatment, and prescriptions. Save all medical bill to show financial losses from the injury and doctor's note and prognosis. Request written a statement from doctor about your injuries, treatment plan, and recovery time. If you have permanent damage or disability, medical experts can provide reports on long-term effect. Pain and recovery journals. Keep a daily log of your pain level, Emotional distress and physical limitations. Note how the injuries affect your daily life, missed work, difficult with task, etc. Financial and employment record. Lost wage documentation. Collect pay stub, tax returns, or employer settlement proving lost income. If you missed work due to injuries, get written confirmation from your employer. Expense related to your injuries. Save receipt for medication, medical equipment, transportation cost, and home modification needed due to your injuries. Expert testimony. Economic expert can help estimate further lost wage if your injuries affect long-term earning potential. Expert witness and legal support. Accident reconstruction expert. If liability is disputed, a specialist can analyze the accident and recreate what happened. And medical expert. Doctor can testify about the severity of your injuries and necessary treatment. And third is vocational expert. Can prove how your injuries impact your ability to work and earn a living. How to organize and present evidence effectively. Store all documents safely. Use digital copy and a dedicated folder. Create a timeline. Arrange evidence chronologically for clarity. Work with a lawyer. A personal injury attorney can help organize and present evidence to strengthen your claim. Having well organized evidence make negotiating with insurance companies smoother and increase your chance of winning in court. Gather the right evidence is critical to winning a personal injury case. Remember to take photo and video at the scene, collect witness statement and official report, keep medical records, bill and lost wage proof, work with expert if needed to strengthen your claim. If you found this video helpful, like, comment and subscribe for more legal tips. Have a question, drop them in the comment below. Watch next video how to prove negligence in a personal injury case. Subscribe for more legal advice.